Good morning, students. Last class we learned about the express the product of factors and using the formula how to find the product of the given expression. So here filling the blanks and true or false we finished and move to the sixth problem. So p minus q the whole square, it is a minus b the whole square formula, that is p square minus 2pq plus q square, product of x plus 5 and x minus 5, that is a plus b into a minus b. First term same, second term also same, sign only different. So how will you multiply a plus b into a minus b formula, that is a square minus b square, that is x square minus 5 square. 5 square is 25 is equal to x square minus 25. Next, factor of x square minus 4x plus 4r. So what are the factor of? Factor means we have to write the product of the numbers. So here we have to write, it is a product of the expression. So you have to write the expression as the product of two expressions. So that is, it is of the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. When we convert this like this, we can expand this as a product of two expression. A square, here 2ab. Here b square is what? 2 square. 4 we can write as 2 square. So b equal to 2. So 2 into 4, then a equal to x. So in a plus x. So 2x into 2 is 4x. So it is equate with the formula a minus b the whole square. So here what is a? X. X minus b is what? 2. 2 the whole square. So it is, we can write as x minus 2 into x minus 2. So the factors are x minus 2 into x minus 2. So express the product of its factors. So 24 you have to factorize and find the factors. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b into b into c into c. State whether the following statement are true or false. 7x plus 3, 7x minus 4, which is equal to this. So can we write this? It is first term only same, second term different. So what is the formula? X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. This is the formula. So x square is 49x square, correct. Next x place 7x, then a plus b is a is 3, b is minus 4, so minus 1, so minus 7x plus b a plus ab, ab is minus 12, so it is true. A minus 1 the whole square, it's a square minus 1, that is wrong. A minus 1 the whole square is a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is a only, so a square minus 2ab. 2 into a is a only, b is 1 plus b square is 1 square is 1 only. So a minus 2a plus 1 is the answer. Here a square minus 1, that is false. Next, x square plus y square plus x square, which is equal to x square plus y square the whole square. That is x square plus y square, we can write this as x square plus y square. So 2 times x square plus y square is multiplication. So x square plus y square the whole square, it is true. When we 2 into 2 means we can write as 2 square. Here the same term only multiplying. So 2 times multiplying. So we can write in square. So that is true. 2p is a factor of 8pq. Yes, 2p is a factor because 8 we can write as 2 into 4 P into Q. So 2P is a factor of this. So this is also true. Next, sixth problem. Seventh problem. Sixth problem we finished in the last class. So now seventh problem. Evaluate the following using suitable identity. So we know 4 identities. Using that you have to evaluate this. So 51 square. So square means you have to use the square formula. 2 square formula we know. What are they? A plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. So first you represent this as a plus b. 51 square we can write as 50 plus 1. That is a plus b the whole square. So we can use the formula a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here what is a? 50. So 50 square plus 2 into a is 50 into b is 1 plus 1 square, which is equal to 50 square is, it is easy to write the square of the multiples of 10 number. Multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That is the last digit is 0. If the last digit is 0 means that is we can say as multiple of 10. So here we hide the 0 and take the square of the number. That is 5 square is we know the 5 square. That is 25. 0 square is 20. So 2500 is equal to 50 square plus 2 into 50. 2 into 50 is 100. That is 2 5s are 10. Then after that you put 1 0. Next plus 1 square is 1. So when we add these three numbers, that is easy to add. That is 2601 is the answer. Like this you have to do the this problem. This you have to separate as what? 100 plus 3. The first number should be a multiple of 10, 100, 1000. Then only it is easy to find the square value. Use the formula a plus b the whole square. You do it yourself. Next, this is 998 square. This we can write as what is the first number? I told now the first number should be a multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. So this is nearest to 1000. So we write 1000 minus 2 is equal to 998. So we write like this. Then whole square. So this is a minus b the whole square. So side you write the formula a minus b the whole square formula. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is 1000. So 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into b is what? 2 plus b square. 1000 square is 1 square is 1. 3 square is 30. That is 3 zeros are here. So we square means it becomes 6 zeros. Double. Minus 4. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 1000 4000. Plus 4. Here the number of zeros should be double when we take the square. 3 0 means 6 0. 2 0 means 4 zeros will come. 1 0 means 2 zeros will come. So here first we add. It's a subtraction. So first we add. This is when we add these two, we got 1 0 0 0 0 0 4. That is 10 lakh and 4. 10 lakh and 4 minus 4000. Which is equal to 10 lakh and 4 minus 4000 is side you write and subtract. What we get? 10 lakh and 4 minus 4000. That is So the answer is 9,96,004. So next 47 square, which is equal to, we can write as, when the nearest multiple of 10 is 50. So 50 minus 3 the whole square. So which is equal to a square. 50 square minus 2 into 50 into 3 plus b square, that is 3 square. 50 square is 2500 minus 100 into 3, 300 plus 9. So when we add this is plus, this is plus, this is minus. So first we add. So 2500 is plus and plus 9. So first we add these two. So 2509 minus 300, which is equal to, when we subtract this, 9022. So 2209 is the answer. So here two numbers, that is, so we get x plus a into x plus b formula, otherwise a plus b into a minus b formula. So when we write this, we can find, when we split, this is the nearest multiple of 100. This is 3-digit number. So we can write the nearest multiple of 100. That is, nearest to 100 is 300. 300 minus 3. Just this we can write as 300 plus 3. So this is a, first term equal, second term equal. So a plus b into a minus b. So that is a square minus b square. B square is 3 square, which is equal to, 3 square is 9. 2 0 square is 40 minus 3 square is 9. So when we subtract this, we got 90,000 minus 9 is 81,000. Next, this. So this also we can write as nearest 1000. So 1000 minus 10. This is 1000 plus 10. So the same like the previous problem. So you can do it yourself. Next, this one is 51 into 52. So that is, we can write as 50 plus 1. This is 50 plus 2. So this is first term only equal, second term different. So what formula? X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So here x is 50. So 50 square plus 50 into a is 1, b is 2 plus 1 into 2. Which is equal to 2500 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into 50 is 150 plus 2. 1 into 2, 2. Which is equal to, so when we add all these, we got 2652. So this is simplify. Simplify means simplify. So first you write the given, then write the expansion of a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab. So like term only we can add. So here 2ab and 4ab are like term. So we add the coefficient. So 2 minus 4 is, so a square 2 minus 4 is minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a formula for a minus b the whole square. So the answer is a minus b the whole square. Next, 9th question. Show that given means first you take the left hand side and simplify, and it is equal to the right hand side. So first I write the LHS left hand side, that is m minus n the whole square plus m plus n the whole square. So we know the formula a minus b the whole square minus 2mn plus n square plus m square plus 2mn plus n square, which is equal to minus 2mn plus 2mn get cancelled. Next m square. So 2m square plus 2n square That is like term, so we add the coefficient. Here 1, here 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Here also. So 2 we can take outside. So here remaining m square, in between plus, then n square. So this is the answer. So that is equal to the right hand side of the question. So hence proved. Next, if a plus b equal to 10 and ab equal to 18, find the value of a square plus b square. So first we write the a plus b we know. Then ab we know. We have to find this. So using the formula a plus b the whole square. What is the formula for a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a plus b value we know. What is that? 10. 10 square which is equal to a square we don't know, plus 2 into ab value is 18. So 18 plus b square we don't know. So write b square. So 10 square is 100 which is equal to a square plus, I write the variables first, a square plus b square. Then last you write this. 2 into 18 is 36. So we want to find the value of a plus b, a square plus b square. So that is keep it in the left side. I reverse this. A equal to b means b equal to a. We can write it in any way. So we write as a square plus b square plus 36 is equal to 100. That is a square plus b square is equal to 100 minus 36. So a square plus b square is equal to 100 minus 36 is okay, fifth question is a square plus 6ab plus 9b square minus c square. So here it is equal to, here this three terms only we can write as a plus b the whole square formula. This is separately. Minus c square is extra term. So we write it separately. So this we can write as a square plus 2 into a into 3. That is 3b. b also here. So 6 we can write as 2 into 3 and ab. This is 3b the whole square minus c square. It is equal to a plus 3b the whole square minus c square. It is of the form a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square. So here a is what? A minus a plus 3b. That is a plus 3b plus c. A plus 3b minus c. That is a square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So using this formula, a is what? A plus 3b plus b. b is here c. So plus c into a minus b. A is a plus 3b minus c. So this next question, factorize the following using the identity. So factorization, you have to write the expression in the product of two expression. Given expression as the product of two expression. So here the identity they given a square minus b square identity, you have to use and factorize this. So z square minus 16 which is equal to, we can write as is a square minus b square form you have to write. 16 we can write as 4 square. So a square minus b square is z plus 4 into z minus 4. It is easy, very easy to factorize. So we write the product of two expressions. So this is the factors of z square minus 16, z plus 4 and z minus 4. So here also 9 minus 4y the whole square. 9 we write as 3 square minus 4y square we can write as 2y the whole square. The square here only for y, not for 4. So you have to write the 4 as 2 square. So 2y the whole square. Do you understand? So 9 is equal to 3 plus 2y into 3 minus 2y. Next, this also we can write as 5a the whole square, because the square is only for a, not for 25. So for 25 we write as 5 square minus 49 is 7b the whole square, which is equal to 5a plus 7b into 5a minus 7b is the answer. So here also we can write as x square the whole square plus y square the whole square, because the power should be only square, not power 4. So we write like this: x square the whole square means x power 4, y square the whole square, that is a power m the whole power n. In the second term algebra lesson we study this. A power m the whole power n, which is equal to a power m into n. This formula using here. So it is equal to x square plus y square, x square minus y square. Next, 12th question. Factorize the following using suitable identity. So you have to find which identity is suitable for this and you have to factorize this. So this is the first question. So x square minus 8x plus 16, which is equal to, so here in between here minus, so it should be a minus b the whole square. So ax square minus 2 into 4 into x. 8 we can split it 2. So 16 we can write it, this is 4 square. So it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So b is what? 4. So 2 into a into b. A is what? X. So it is ax minus 4 the whole square. That is a minus b the whole square. A is x minus b is 4. So x minus 4 the whole square. So the next question. Y square minus 20y, sorry, plus 20y plus 100. So which is equal to, so this also y square plus 2 into 10 into y plus 10 square, which is equal to, that is 20 we can write as 2 into 10, because the formula has one 2ab. So we have to split as 2. So 2 take outside means remaining 2 into 10 only 20. So 10 you have to split like this. Next, this is a plus b the whole square formula. That is y, what is b here? Plus 10 the whole square. Next, third question. 36m square plus 60m plus 25. So which is equal to 36 we can, the first term should be a square term because the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. The first term and the last term should be square number. So 36 we can write as 6m the whole square plus last term also 25, that is 5 square. So a is 6m and b is 5. So 2 into 6m into 5. Check this, multiply all this, we get 60m. You have to check. So 2 into 6 is 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 into m. 60 into m, 60m. So this is equal. It is of the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is what? 6m. Plus b is 5. So 6m plus 5 the whole square. Next, fourth question. 64x square minus 112xy plus 49y square, which is equal to, so first term and the last term should be a square number. So 64 is 8 square. 8x the whole square minus plus here 7y the whole square. So 2 into 8x into 7y. Check, multiply all these, you got 112. 2 into 8 is 16. 16 into 7 is 112. So 112 into xy. So it is equal to the given expression. So we can write as a square minus b square. Here minus. So a is 8x minus b is 7y. So 8x minus 7y the whole square. So the product of 8x minus 7y the whole square means 8x minus 7y into 8x minus 7y is the answer. So product of two number means, square means x minus 4, you have to multiply 2 times. Here also we can write y plus 10 into y plus 10. Here also 6m plus 5 into 6m plus 5. 8x minus 7y into 8x minus 7y. So 2 square, how will you write? 2 into 2. That is 8x minus 7y the whole square is 2 times you have to multiply the same number. Okay, next objective type question. If a plus b equal to 5 and a square is equal to, then ab is equal to. So the exercise problem we do one like this. Like this you have to find the answer. Using this formula and the missing value is here ab. So substitute the formula and write the missing value. So I explain. So here what is? So here it is a plus b. So a plus b the whole square formula you have to write. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b is what? 5 square. A square plus b square is what? 13. So a square plus b square we write as 13 plus 2ab we don't know, so write 2ab. So 5 square is what? 25. So 25 is equal to 13 plus 2ab. So 2ab is equal to 25 minus 13. So 2ab is equal to 8. So 25 minus 13 is 12. So AB is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So 6 is the answer. So here 50 plus 20 minus 20 minus 5. So what is the answer? So here not same number. So here we can take the minus outside because both terms have the negative sign. So we can write this as 5 plus 20. The minus you have to take outside means 5 plus 20, which is equal to 5 plus 20 the whole square minus 5 plus 20 the whole square. That is minus of a plus b the whole square is 20 square plus 2 into 20 into 5 plus 5 square is equal to minus of 20 square is 400 plus 40 into 5 is 200 plus 25. So 625 minus 625 is the answer. Next, factors of x square minus 6x plus 9. So this of the form of minus should be there. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. B square is 3 square. So x minus 3 the whole square. X minus 3 into x minus 3. The common factor of the algebraic expression a x square y, b x y square and c x y z is. Common factor is, what are the factors of this a x into x y? Here b x into y and c in. So here what are the common factor of all these? X. Here 2x, here only 1x, here only 1x. So 1x only common. Here a is not common and y here 1y, 2y, here 1y. So only 1y is common in these three all. Then z is not here. So x, y is the answer. So fourth one is the answer. Okay, thank you students.